Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Video Solver. Today we are discussing Model 4 UHV important questions. The first question, which one explains about society? People living together in a relationship of mutual fulfillment. The second question, how the relationship in society can be made possible? All of the above. Third question, society, society means many families living together making collective effort for a common goal. Fourth question, the word society is primarily used in the context of human-relationship. Human. Fifth question. Human interaction is called system. Sixth question. Human rest of nature interaction is called work. Seventh question. While evaluating present state of society and say system, we found climate changing relationship with rest nature. The eighth. Terms illness, confusion, tension, frustration, depression, alcoholism, substance abuse, obesity, suicide deals with the individual. 9. Terms obstruction, reaction, angry, grief, court, case, divorce, and related with family. 10th question. Increasing gap between rich and poor, fear, genocide, domination, ex- explanation, terrorism, war deals with the society. 11th. Find the correct statement. All. And the 12th. Human goal at the level of society is fearless. 13th. Human goal at level of nature is coexistence. The 14th. Terms definite, continuous, and condition refers to all. When all expert feelings form other for our happiness, it is a state of paratantra. The 16th. Understanding and living in harmony at all four levels of being is called excellence. The 17th. In dash one help to bring the other to his level. Ex- Excellence. 18th. In dash one hinders the other from researching to his level. Competition. 19th. The outcome of reverness is worship. The 20th. Effort made to achieve excellence is worship. 21st. Compliments means all. 22. Transparency is the situation when all. 23rd. When we feel responsible for taking care of the relative those we are committed and make effort to ensure the physical facility or several required for nurturing and protection of the body of the relative. This is called affection. 24. In the process of sharing and ensuring right understanding in the other self, we can see the other primarily see our conduct, our behavior, our living first. She or he listens and evaluates our word much later. So, if we want to communicate something to the other, it is essential to the right understanding and live with the right feeling, right thought, living with the right understanding, right feeling, and thought is called suspend spontaneity. 25th. The activity which do not produce anything but are concerned with protection or maintenance come in the category of service. 26th. Which among the following is comparison human goals at the level of individual self, right understanding? 27. Which among the following is comparison human goal at level of family, prosperity? 28. Which among the following is comparison human goals at the level of society? Fair, Fearlessness. 29. Which among the following is comparison human goals at the level of nature or existence? Mutual fulfillment. 13. Different names such as a bliss, peace, satisfaction, happiness, fulfillment, salvation, contentment, and enhancement, liberation, independence, self-acculation, aesthetics, divinant, well-being of all etc. have been used for mutual fulfillment. 31. Dash seems to be the smallest unit of the social order where majority of the functions are being performed. Village. 32. Name of the model village in Bhutan. Manchari village. 33. Which of the following are not indicator for evaluation of dimension for health? Having hospitals and medical store in every locality. 34. Which of the following are not individual for evaluation of dimension of production? Producing more with a view of profit maximization. 35. Which among the following is the indirect indirect for evaluation system implements different dimensions of the system are running smoothly. 36. Families living together in a relationship of mutual fulfillment with common goals is called society. 37. People living together but not in relationship of mutual fulfillment with different goals is called proud. 38. People living separately in ob- obsession or struggle with conflict goals is called battlefield. 39. Gold, silver belongs to dash order, physical. 14. Conformation of material order is named as constitution conformation. 41. The continuity of a planet specifies is maintained in a nature by dash method. See conformance. 42. The basic activity of self of animal order is assuming recognition and fulfillment. 43. The continuity of animals is maintained in nature by dash method. Breed conformance. 44. The human being has dash conformance. Right values are 45. The intenseness of bioorder is growth. 46. There is a dash among the four orders of nature. Mutual fulfillment. 47. The basic activity of self of human beings is knowing, assuming, recognition and fulfillment. 48. Our natural exception is to live in dash with nature, harmony. 49. Space has a constant or dash energy, equilibrium. 15. When nature is submerged in space, we called it existence. Thank you for watching our video. Please do like, share and subscribe.